Welcome to Skillspeed. My name is Mihir, and in this quick session, I'll be taking you through the applications of Big Data and Hadoop for a database administrator. As you all know, today organizations generate tremendous amounts of data. Database administrators have the crucial job of handling database servers and ensuring data security. Let me take you through the main roles and responsibilities of a database administrator professional. A DBA is primarily in charge of installation, configuration, and upgradation of all database management systems. He has to plan storage capacities and fine-tune performances of database servers. His major concern, as well as his most crucial responsibility, is to identify a security threat and recover data in case of a possible security lapse. Following are the limitations faced by a DBA professional. Let's consider unstructured data. Unstructured data files often include multimedia content. Files may have an internal structure, but they're still considered unstructured because the data they contain doesn't fit neatly into a database. Unstructured data forms a large portion of all available data and helps you gain an advantage over competitors. Traditional DBA tools cannot handle such unstructured data. Now let's look at cost and scalability. When an organization grows from a nascent stage, simultaneously its data needs increases, and it becomes very expensive to expand server capacities. Moreover, in the modern era, industries require real-time analysis to understand consumer behavior and provide personalized experiences. Amazon, for example, varies prices of over 232 million products in real time. Traditional database management systems can hardly perform on a real-time basis due to the various processes involved. Hadoop seems to have an answer to all these problems. Before we move on, let's understand what big data is. Big data is a term for a collection of datasets so large and complex that it becomes difficult to process using traditional database management tools and applications. Let's educate ourselves with Apache Hadoop. Hadoop is not a language, neither a tool. It is a framework that allows distributed processing of large data sets across clusters of commodity computers. The following are the salient features of Hadoop. Hadoop is reliable as fault tolerance and automated failover capabilities are built into Hadoop. The framework is economical as Hadoop clusters are created on commodity machines which are cheaper than traditional database servers. It provides capacity to store and process structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, which makes it very flexible. More machines could be added to provide more processing power, which means horizontal scalability is a forte of Hadoop clusters. There are two broad categories of why a DBA should move to Hadoop. One on the organizational level and the other for individuals' personal growth. On the organizational level, organizations have increasingly started using Hadoop as a processing tool, as well as a storage tool. Hadoop negates high costs associated with traditional database management systems due to its distributed computing model. For an individual's personal growth, Hadoop gives them an opportunity to solve real-world problems and get direct entry into analytics and decision-making world. For example, a DBA with Hadoop skill set could play a vital role of an innovator in the future of smart cities. Depending on the level of expertise in Hadoop, the average salary ranges from 7 lakhs to 25 lakhs Indian rupees. We can easily understand by looking at this chart the number of industries adapting to Hadoop, and the paucity of Hadoop professional creates a large demand-supply gap. I'll let you spend some time on the slides to read some excerpts of some important reports. Hadoop has become an industry standard. Almost 90% organizations have embarked on Hadoop-related projects, and thus Hadoop skills are huge in demand, according to the Big Data Executive Survey of 2013. The International Data Corporation depicted that the big data market will likely hit $23.8 billion with 31.7% rise per year, the highest and the fastest growing in the technology sector. The previous reports also depict that the growth in various fields like new media, vendors, government contractors, and retail sectors are opening up new job opportunities for Hadoop professionals. These include some dream firms like Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft, and many more. We know this at Skillspeed because we train employees of renowned corporations like Wipro, Cognizant, Policy Bazaar, Unisys, and many more. All limitations encountered by a DBA can be negated by a Hadoop framework. Additionally, Hadoop is extensively being used by organizations for its functionalities. Hadoop can provide storage capabilities, processing capabilities, abstraction capabilities, and many more. DBAs are in the perfect position to make this shift. For more on how Hadoop can help boost your career, make sure to visit skillspeed.com. That's it from us. Subscribe for new videos every week, and please do share feedbacks in the comment section below.